Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to add a new address on your New Balance account. If you don't have a New Balance account, we will put our affiliate link in the description below for you to sign up and get free shipping on orders $50 plus. But if you already have an account, just open the website, then click Login. Now, log in with your email and password. Once you're logged in, you will see a section for Address Book. Under Address Book is an option for Add New Address. Click on Add New Address. Now, enter all the required information. After entering all the required information, click on Save. That's how you add a new address on your New Balance account. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.